Hello teacher, good afternoon. The topic is about natural colors. Okay, first, mine or key points. Okay, uh, five key points. Importance of color and color under animals, riborn, and pH in the plants. Okay, and sensory capabilities of animals to detect certain pattern of color. Okay, two. Expand on ideas. Okay, all colors, yeah, play an important role and ensure the survival of the species. It's a result of certain length of the light wave. It reflected small pigment molecules. It reflects small pig uh, molecules. Okay. Uh, the the sensory uh, capabilities of animals have evolved to detect certain patterns of color. Chi colors, chi receptor human have chi colors: blue, uh, red, and green color. Other animals spectrum of additional colors. The color is an important adaptation, which can mean the difference between different uh, between life and death for the animals. Okay, the brightness of color indicates the size of fiber droplets. Large droplets produce a bright ribbon, while smaller droplets produce a weaker color. pH in the plants is very important in determining color, with some pass and plants H factor. Okay. See suggestions. Suggestions in video natural color. Predators would not be able. Predator would not be able to survive if they were able to detect the color of camouflaged prey. Bright color or metal colors for some species type of barrier or protection because they fear predators. For use key points. Okay, key points. Uh, One, the spectrum, of color and natural phenomena that um, occurs in the universe. Colorations and important adaptation, which means the difference between life and death. Okay, the changing colors in animals and their influence on behavior change. Okay, in conclusion, today the truth is that presence of color in our aspects um, of our lives in extremely plants, and thus the color is important in several ways. It allows us to express modes, let us know, and we express our identity. Okay, questions. 5 questions. uh, First, what is aposemantic? 2, what is college chromatic uh, chromatic response? And 3, what is polymorphism? Okay, answer. 3 questions. What's aposemantic? Aposemantic is um, aposemantic or warning coloration is the use of high contrast and strong color in animals that projects a clear message that says leave the alone. Two questions: what's color chromatic response? It is a kind of adaptations, yeah, that allows organisms to change and their color, not the environment, and because invisible predators. Uh, the three question is what polymorphism says. Okay, the polymorphism is a term that means seasonal color changes either in summer and winter, fall and spring. Thanks.